Indian actress Deepika Padukone will be starring in an upcoming international yet untitled cross-cultural romantic comedy. STX Films, a division of Eros STX Global Corporation, announced the company is developing a romantic comedy for Deepika, who will also produce the upcoming film through her car production banner. Deepika, who was named one of the 100 most influential people in the world by Time magazine in 2018, said, Car Productions was founded with the aim to develop and produce purposeful content with global appeal. I am thrilled to be partnering with STX Films and Temple Hill Productions, who share Car's ambition and creative vision, and look forward to bringing impactful and dynamic cross-cultural stories to the world. The announcement was made on Tuesday by Adam Ferguson, Chairman, STX Films Motion Picture Group. Ferguson said, There is a reason Deepika is one of the global stars to come from India. She is enormously talented with an infectious personality, and her profile continues to grow as an international superstar. While she has a phenomenal success in many Eros international films, we are thrilled to be building a romantic comedy with her and our friends at Temple Hill. We believe this project gives us the opportunity to tap into the spirit, voice, characters, and vibrant settings of India and New York in ways that made Crazy Rich Asians feel so authentic and fresh. The studio is also in negotiation with Temple Hill Productions' Vic Godfrey and Marty Bowen, who has produced the Twilight franchise and The Fault in Our Stars, among many others, to develop the project, which will be sweeping cross-cultural romantic comedies centered around Deepika. Isaac Klausner is overseeing the project for Temple Hill. Deepika made her English language film debut as the female lead in Triple X The Return of Xander Cage, co-starring with Vin Diesel. In Bollywood, Deepika will be seen in Kabir Khan's 83, Shakun Batra's yet untitled film, the remake of The Intern with megastar Amitabh Bachchan and the actioner Hrithik Roshan. Shah Rukh Khan and Deepika Padukone will be shooting a song in Spain for the upcoming film Pathaan, directed by Siddharth Anand. Shah Rukh and Deepika will not only shoot crucial parts of their film in Spain, but will also shoot a massively mounted song there. Pathaan also stars John Abraham. Other details about the movie are still under wraps. INS report.